फ्रेंड्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे किया मोटर्स ने जो नई गाड़ी लॉन्च की है सोनेट के नाम से। किया सोनेट मोस्ट एडवांस पावर ट्रेन चेसिस के साथ गाड़ी आती है। उसी के साथ गाड़ी में कुछ प्रीमियम फीचर्स दिए हैं, जैसे बॉस प्रीमियम 7 स्पीकर सिस्टम विद साउंड मोड लाइट। साउथ कोरिया कार मेकिंग कंपनी किया मोटर्स ने भारत में अपनी नई किया सोनेट कॉम्पैक्ट एसयूवी कार को अगस्त में लॉन्च किया है, जो मार्केट में सितंबर से आने लग जाएगी। किया मोटर्स ने अपनी इस कॉम्पैक्ट एसयूवी कार को ऑटो एक्सपो 2020 में पेश किया था, जबकि इसकी ऑटो एक्सपो 2020 में इतनी ज़्यादा डिमांड थी लोगों को कि भारत में इसको कम दामों पे लॉन्च करने का उन्होंने प्लान किया। इससे पहले किया मोटर्स ने आने वाले सीज़न में कोई कार लॉन्च नहीं की थी, बट इस टाइम पे उन्होंने इशारा किया है कि इस बार हम अपनी बिक्री को बढ़ाने के लिए एक नई कार फेस्टिव सीज़न से पहले लॉन्च करेंगे। ये गाड़ी के फीचर्स की बात करें तो ये गाड़ी अपने बड़े भाई किया सेल्टोस की तरह पूरे फीचर्स से भरी हुई होगी। इस एसयूवी में लेटेस्ट स्मार्टफोन कनेक्टिविटी के साथ 10.25 इंच का टच स्क्रीन सिस्टम मिला है, जो वर्ल्ड में पहली बार किसी कार में 10.25 इंच का टच स्क्रीन सिस्टम मिला है। अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिपोर्ट्स, ये किया सोनेट का प्रोडक्शन आंध्र प्रदेश में अनंतपुर प्लांट में किया जाएगा। रिपोर्ट्स के अनुसार कंपनी ने पहले साल इस गाड़ी की 70,000 यूनिट्स बेचने का लक्ष्य रखा है, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा है। जब से ये गाड़ी ऑटो एक्सपो में पेश हुई है, तब से कार प्रेमियों इस कार का बड़ी बेसब्री से इंतज़ार कर रहे थे। अगर इसके प्रतिस्पर्धा मतलब कंपटीशन की बात करें तो किया सोनेट का मेन कंपटीशन मारुति ब्रेजा, हुंडई वेन्यू, टाटा नेक्सॉन, महिंद्रा XUV 300 के साथ होगा। रिपोर्ट्स के अनुसार इसका प्राइस कंपनी 8 लाख के आसपास रख सकती है, जो इस मिनी SUV के हिसाब से ठीक है। So let's talk about the Kia Sonet update one by one, starting with the engine and the variant. The Kia Sonet shares platform with the car like Hyundai Venue and Grand i10 Neos, and so like the Venue, the Sports Sonet Sports 3 engine options. The petrol side will have the 1.0 GDI turbo engine and 1.2, while the diesel will be the 1.5 common rail engine. So Kia has already announced at the Auto Expo that there are 3 variants along with the one variant which is known as IMT or Intelligent Manual Transmission. The Hyundai Venue recently received this variant too, so the transmission is expected only on the 1.0 GDI, which also has the option of the 7-speed DCT, that is dual clutch automatic transmission. So let's talk about the interior fit and the feature. This instrument display is smart, modern and different. It houses a 4.2 inch screen display that has lots of information. That include turn-by-turn navigation, 8-trip computer, tire pressure monitoring, and even tell you which drive mode you are in. So I like the chunky and the large button that comprise the climate control system below the screen, and it gives the car a very young feel. The front AC vents are finished in highly gloss black plastic and are extremely different in shape and finish. And they also have the signature geometric pattern at the bottom, just as you see in the front grille and also in the gearbox housing. There is a GT line badge on the steering and seat, and you also get red stitching and some red elements on the steering seat, doors and dash. The GT lines all back treatment does work, as it make the cabin loom sporty, whereas the tech line will give you the lighter palette on the seat and the lower half of the door and dash. While there are plenty of similarity on features, the visual look is very different as a result. The Sonet get a sunroof at the top, and beside that big screen and a whole bunch of other goodies. A 7-speaker Bose sound system, LED sound mode lamp, wireless phone charging tray, UVO connected SIM enabled telematics and connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and this Sonet is programmed to receive over the air update for map and navigation. I guess this is a very impressive features this Sonet is having. Then there are ventilated front seat and an air purifier that comes with virus protection. Really amazing. I think this time Kia had working very hard on their features and interiors. At the rear, the cabin is compact yet does not give any sense of being cramped. There is a small design detail, sort of like a quarter glass element in the C pillar, that helps enhance the feeling of the space. On a subcompact, that's smart, and I will take it. Legroom is decent, headroom is great, and the seat, while upright, has a comfortable back angle and good under thigh support. Rear vent AC finished the same way as the front. A rear USB charging down drop armrest with cup holder. Seriously, very impressive features they are. On the safety front, safety is a well addressed. 2/3 of the chassis is made up of the high strength steel, making for a frame that is light and strong. This Sonet gets up a 6 airbag, anti-lock brakes, high hill assist, stability control, brake assist, isofix, anchor for child seat. I am waiting for the time when at least one car maker decides to provide a 3-pin seat belt or 3-point seat belt for the middle reserve passengers. Like most Indian models, the Sonet 2 get a lap belt, which by law is all of you need, of course.
The Kia Sonet will also be offered in two variants, Tech Line and GT Line. The GT line is offered with 3 drive modes: normal, eco and sports. If we are talking about the price of this Kia Sonet, this car is starting from the 7 lakh, which is the price for the base model, and goes up to 12 lakh for the top model, which is GT variant. So let's wait for the launch of this car in the September month. And lastly, if we are talking about the specification like power, torque, the Smart Stream 1.2 petrol engine generate 83 PS at 63 rpm. Smart Stream 1.0 turbo engine generate 120 PS power, while the diesel generate 100 to 115 PS of the power. This is the unofficial specification from this. The final specification will be out in few days. If we are talking about the color options available, there are 8 colors available for this car: clear white, steel silver, intense red, gravity grey, glacier white pearl, aurora black pearl, intelligence blue, and lastly beige gold. So this is the first impression of the newly launched Kia Sonet. I think you like the video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई है तो चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें प्लीज़, और वो घंटा दबा दो ताकि वीडियो की हर नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे।